Hello, YouTube family. Good morning. A very wonderful morning here from Kapirimposhi, Zambia. I just want to show you how the guys make the bricks. In this video, you will see Mr. Simpungwe and Isaac doing the mixture for the concrete bricks that we are going to use for building in the well, which I'll show you in the video. We are building the well from the bottom coming up. Already we've built so far, but the water has come up, so we need to pump the water out. Once we pump it out, then we'll build from where we ended. We're almost there, but because of the water is just too much, but we appreciate the water and we are very thankful. That's why we are protecting the well by making these concrete bricks that are going to go inside there. We build it all the way up and then put a concrete lid at the top. So come with me. Let's have a look at what Mr. Isaac and Mr. Simpungwe are doing, the mixture of the concrete cement. And yeah, I'll talk to you as we go along what's happening on the farm. So this is Mr. Simpungwe. As you can see, he's just spreading the quarry. They have put 5 wheelbarrows of, actually 6. So altogether it's 12 wheelbarrows, loads of quarry. And then they're going to use 2 pockets of Simona cement, which is a very, very good quality, strong cement. As you can see there, Simpungwe is just offloading the cement and then to do another mixture so that that cement mixes well with the quarry, and then they will start making the blocks. So this is how it's done. 6 loads of wheelbarrow to 1 pocket of cement. It makes the bricks quite hard, and these we are using, this mixture we're using is because we want them to be solid and hard, because as you can see here, we have a well which we've been building from the bottom coming up. It's about almost 15 meters down, and this is the well we are building. We got 2 more other wells which we've completed, and so this is the last one. We're just building, but the water is just tremendous, and it's awesome. So we'll need to pump out the water. As you can see, the water's come out, and you can see the blocks over there. So we have to continue building from where we ended and build it all the way up, and then put a concrete slab with a lid. There's plenty water in this well, and this water is drinkable. It's good natural spring water. We use that for drinking and doing washing and all sorts. So that's what we are doing here. We are making concrete blocks on site, which are going to be used for our well. Yeah, so if you have any questions regarding this, just leave it in the comments, and I'll get back to you if you have any questions, and I will respond to you. Down here we have some strawberries which are coming up. As you can see, they are coming up very well. They're looking very good, and you see why they are looking so nice and green and lush. We use chicken manure. We mix it, we actually soak it in water, the chicken poo, and that water, the concentrate, we take half of that, and then half of water, mix it together and pour it in there. So that's why it's looking so nice and green. So we will have some beautiful fruits from there, and I will show you when we have. So this is what it's doing, is actually spread all the cement, and then now is going to mix up all that so that we have a good mixture. Yeah, so that's Mr. Simpungwe, very hardworking man. As you can see, he's now mixing. It's a pity we don't have a concrete mixer, but if we have enough money in future, we could invest in a concrete mixer. But now we just have to do it manually, and that's how it's done in most of the construction companies in Zambia. Mostly those who can afford it, it's a luxury, but we look forward to that. And that's Isaac doing the mixture there. They've swapped. That's Mr. Simpungo just put in the water. They've done the mixture now, and now they're going to do the mixture with the water to get the right texture. Then they'll start making them blocks. And this is our genset here. It's a bit noisy. This is a 6 kVA genset, and it's what's powering the pump in the well, pumping the water. And just behind there you can see amataba. Those are dried maize we just recently harvested from our fields. I will show you in another video our harvesting time. So that's Mr. Simpungwe doing the mixture there. So far so good, it's looking good. And that's Mr. Edward there, just making use of the opportunity whilst we're pumping the water to get himself some water. As you can see, the water is nice and pure, clean water. No chlorine in this water. It's so healthy. It's got natural minerals in it, and it's the best water to drink. I love drinking that water, and when I drink that water, I feel much better. My body feels different than drinking chlorinated waters in the cities, in the towns. No good. Yeah, so those fish ponds over there, we're still in progress doing them. So here goes Mr. Simpungwe. So they've done the mixture. That's how it looks like once it's done. And these blocks we are making, they're actually 6-inch blocks. This is the way we've been making our concrete blocks. Even for making the wall fence, we've made them through the same system, the same way. Yeah, so that's how it's done. And that's how we make concrete blocks in Kapirimposhi, Zambia. There are actually machines one can buy, but they're quite expensive. We need to save up and then perhaps in the near future invest in one machine for making concrete blocks. But for now, this is the way we're going to do it. You have to start somewhere, you know. And they say Rome was not built in a day, so this is how we do it here in Kapirimposhi, Zambia. So that's how they look like once they've been removed from the mold, looking nice and pretty. And they're going to dry up in the sun. And maybe tomorrow, once they solidify, the guys are going to just pour water on them so that they get even more harder. Yeah, so that's how it's done. So in case you've been wondering how concrete blocks are made by hand, this is the way. This is the way we do it. Look at that. It's amazing. Beautiful bricks coming up. A very big thank you to you all. Those of you who have tuned in, I want to say a very big thank you. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and also leave a comment. Always leave a comment. And it's very important. Via the comment, we can be able to relate, to get to know one another. And also press that bell icon for more notifications, that you'll be the first. Each time I post a new video, you'll be notified. So it's adios amigos, and it's bye-bye, and I will see you in the next video. God bless you.